How to increase troop size in Last Z survival shooter. I'm going to tell you how to increase troop size in Last Z survival shooter. The number of troops you can command depends on your base upgrades and leadership level. To start, focus on upgrading your command center or equivalent main building, since each upgrade usually raises the maximum troop capacity. Next, research leadership or troop expansion in the tech tree. These upgrades directly boost how many fighters you can bring into battle. Another way is to unlock and promote specific heroes or commanders, since higher tier heroes often provide passive bonuses to troop limits. Don't forget to train higher tier units, because they give you more strength per slot, effectively increasing your power without needing extra numbers. Finally, keep an eye on in game events or items that temporarily boost capacity. Sometimes you'll get consumables that expand troop size for a set duration.